You installed brand new LED streetlights, but now they are turning on and off by themselves. Is it a ghost? No, it's an incompatible sensor. Unlike old tungsten bulbs, LED drivers generate a massive spike of energy when they start up. We call this high inrush current. This surge can overwhelm standard photocells, causing the internal relay to arc or fail. The result? Your lights cycle endlessly or get stuck on. That is why you need a sensor specifically rated for LED loads. Look at the specs on our LT134 and LT154 series. They feature high inrush current protection and zero cross-detection technology. Notice the 8-amp E-ballast rating. This means they are built to handle the heavy electrical kick of modern LED drivers without flinching. By switching the load at the exact moment the AC voltage crosses zero, we protect the relay from welding shut. Don't let inrush current kill your controls. For reliable LED-rated sensors, trust LeadTop.
LeadTop, your flexible OEM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.